Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a PDF into an editable Word document. And we're going to be doing this using Microsoft Word. So if you are using Microsoft Office from 2013 and above, you'll be able to pull this off. So right here on my desktop, I have a PDF document that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So all I need to do is to head over to Microsoft Word. So yeah, I'm in Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to head over to files, and then I'm going to open the PDF in here. So I'm going to click on the open button, browse. So I have the document in my desktop, select it, and click on the open button. So right here I get a warning saying that Word will now convert your PDF into an editable document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. So I hope you get that. If you are okay with it, click on OK. So here I have my PDF document. It's now editable. So after doing all the editing you want, and you want to save this document as a PDF again, you can head over to Files. Within Files, click on Save As. Browse, and then you get the save as dialog. So right here you can choose the location where you want the PDF to be saved. So I want it on my desktop, so I'm going to select it and give it a name. Let's say new PDF, and down here within save as type, you're going to choose the file format. So I'm going to select PDF right here and then click on the save button. Now that is one way. Another way to do that is to head over to files once more and then click on the export button. And then select create PDF/XPS document. Click on it over here. And right here you get the publish as PDF or XPS dialog. Select the location where you want the PDF to be saved. Give it a file name. Let's say new PDF 2. And then click on the publish button down here. Now when I head over to my desktop, there I have my PDF. So that is it guys, that is how to convert a PDF into an editable document, and also how to save a document as a PDF. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and also do well to support this channel by subscribing and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.